Welcome and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to discuss how to get more value out of your tax assessment form. And remember, your tax assessment form is the form that CRA sends to you after they've processed your tax return each year.
Tom is a portfolio manager with investment firm Raymond James in Calgary, Alberta. He has been advising clients since 1997, and I've worked in the financial services industry since 2012. So Tom, tell us more about the tax assessment form.
Okay, so the tax assessment form has two bits of information that I find extremely helpful. The first is your capital gains balance or your capital loss balance, as the case may be. And the second is your available RRSP contribution room. Now, in my experience, talking to people about the tax assessment form, most people strip off their refund check and then throw the rest of the form in the tax drawer, never to be seen again.
Well, I can relate. I hardly ever pay attention to the actual form. I just recognize the amount given back to me in any given year. And I actually receive it by electronic transfer instead of a check.
And Rachel, did you file your taxes on time this year?
I did, well before the April 30th deadline.
And did you receive your tax assessment form yet?
I did, yes. I received it a couple of weeks after I filed my taxes.
And what did you do with it?
Gave it to my financial advisor.
Smart. So when your financial advisor has a look at the information on your tax assessment form, they can manage your wealth better. Now, for me, the capital gains or capital loss balance is important for two reasons. One, the tax loss selling that an investment manager can perform for a client throughout the year really keeps things efficient. Second, if you're making charitable donations, you really want to use securities that have capital gains associated with them in order to make your donations. So you really need to manage that capital gain, capital loss balance each year.
Okay, and I know that the form also includes the RSP contribution limit, which is also very useful for financial advisors to look at. It will help them manage your wealth better. They can adjust the payments that you make to your RSP on a monthly basis, increase, decrease them, and change the automatic payments if necessary.
So, Rachel, is it a good idea for everyone to submit a copy of their tax assessment form to their financial advisor?
Yes, Tom, it's a great idea for you to provide this form to your financial advisor. It will help them manage your wealth much better. For other tips, please check out our other videos to help see how you can manage your money better. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.